In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom for beginners. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or phone. If you're brand new, sign in with your account so your name and preferences are saved. If you don't have an account yet, you can still look around, but signing in makes things smoother later. From the home screen, you'll see the key options along the top or center. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on starting a meeting so you can learn the basic controls in a safe space. Click or tap New Meeting to launch an instant meeting. When prompted, join with your computer audio so others can hear you, and check that your microphone icon isn't muted. You can toggle mute and unmute at any time. It's good practice to stay muted when you're not speaking to cut background noise. Next, check your camera. The Start Video button turns your camera on and Stop Video turns it off. If your image looks dark or off-center, adjust your lighting and camera angle so your face is clearly visible. Now, take a quick tour of the toolbar. Participants shows who's in the meeting and lets you rename yourself. Chat opens a side panel for messages, links, and files. It's perfect for sharing notes without interrupting the speaker. Share Screen lets you show a window or your entire desktop. Pick exactly what you want to share so you don't reveal anything private. Reactions are handy for a quick thumbs up or raised hand without speaking. If you need to bring someone in, use Invite to copy the meeting link and share it securely. You can also switch your layout between speaker view and gallery view to focus on one person or see everyone at once. Before you start hosting real meetings, spend a minute customizing your settings. Click the small gear icon, often found on the home screen or in the upper